Do you guys like my Vogue t-shirt? That should show something about my attitude for this video, you know? Get it? It's designer. No? It's okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 or 4 maybe, I don't know. We'll see. Whatever I want to show. DIYs on what you can do to spice up your room during this quarantine. I've been doing DIYs because I have nothing better to do and I'm bored out of my mind, so my creative side tends to come out during these times. I like to paint and draw and take pictures, get ready for no damn reason, make videos. So yeah, if you can relate, make sure to like this video and keep watching to see how you can make these DIYs yourself. Alright guys, so for the first DIY, what you want to do is go on Google and just write Chanel logo, and you can find a transparent one like this or just any high quality one, and print it, and then you want to cut along the edges. So for the first DIY, I'm going to be doing the pillow, so you're going to need paint, pencil, and the Chanel logo. Obviously, cut it out. And obviously a pillow. I just got this from the dollar store. You can get it from Amazon, whatever. And you just want to lay your logo out and trace it out with a pencil. I use a pencil because it's easier to erase. And then I just got these paints. I'm going to be using the black one. And just paint it. And yeah, you're done. That's it. It's as easy as that. You could use a less ratchet method by stitching it on, but this was easy for me. So yeah, look at how great it looks. So for the next DIY, you would want to go on Pinterest and find some really cool images. I like finding these watercolored inspired designer pictures. So what I do is usually I have them pinned on my page, or they just appear on my homepage because I look them up so much. But these are the images I'm talking about. They're very nice and very artistic. So you can pick one of these, or you can search for designer art print or Chanel art print or Louis Vuitton, whatever you're looking for. And that way you can just save it. Like I chose this picture, and then I just you download the image, and you could either print it like so, but I decided to turn it into photos instead. I think it's better quality that way, but if you have glossy paper, you can just print it out. I just went on the Walmart Photo Center, go on prints, and you can select whatever, and here it just appears, and you can add it to cart and get it shipped to your house. You can go to the store and pick it up. It's super cheap. It's only $6, and there you go. I've received it. So once you have received your images, they should look like this. I like photos just because they're very high quality and they fit your frames perfectly depending on the size of frame that you buy. So I got this 8x10 frame because I wanted it to have more borders. So I picked up this black construction paper and I took out all the inside images. And instead I laid out the construction paper and then placed my images on top. Okay, so the next project is this infinity bouquet. So I really love these, but the prices for these are just ridiculous. And there's a lot of DIYs on YouTube on how to make your own. So basically, I just found this little foam material and a heart-shaped box and just took flowers that I got from the dollar store and just push them in and organize them, and I got the look. So it's pretty simple. If you guys want a more detailed tutorial, you can just watch another video on YouTube. But honestly, I didn't really like the box as much, so I'm probably going to take the gold glitter out and like paint it black or something. But I just wanted to demonstrate to you guys how easy it is. Just take different bouquets from the dollar store of roses or whatever flowers you would like, and just separate them and stick them into styrofoam, and you should get the same look. So I did a similar project for the vase. So what I did was just added a couple of little fake diamonds that were in a birthday bag and just curved and bended the flowers to my liking, and just made a nice cohesive pattern out of them, as you will see now. And yeah, so just keep doing that. Make sure they're straight and facing the same way instead of all wonky and stuff. And soon you will get a really nice looking vase. You will also want to print out a Chanel No. 5 perfume logo. If you just write Chanel No. 5, it'll show up on Google. Just print it out and then just cut it. So I wanted to use the Chanel Paris for another project, but I took the No. 5 and just put it on the vase, and it just looks so adorable. And this is the finished project. The next DIY, you just want to look at some inspiration pictures. I looked at these designer books. I think they're such a cute addition to any bedroom or living space. So I just took this giant Oxford dictionary, and I just took some printing paper and scissors to just cover it and make almost a book cover. And I just taped it. I know it looks ratchet, but trust me, it's gonna come out looking pretty. So you can cut off the sides, or you can just fold them right in like how I did. And I just folded the tape to make it double-sided and pasted the Chanel Paris right on the side of it, because that's the side that's gonna show. But then I decided the extra part that was showing wasn't nice, so I just added some more printed paper on it. For the last step, I just took another Chanel logo and added some glue to it. And then once I paste it on, you won't be able to see like the little details. I was gonna cover this with another book on top, so you won't be able to see it. And then I put a little Dior book on top that I also. So this is the final product, and I hope you guys try it out, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I really enjoyed making this, and I will probably do more because I do cool stuff in my room all the time because I'm obsessed with my room and this is my like happy place. So let me know what you guys thought, and if you guys try any of these DIYs out, make sure to tag me on Instagram or just post it in the comments. And let me know what you liked or what you didn't like. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.